it's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So queens, today I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of what I found on Amazon and picked up some more affordable wigs and wig essentials that I found on Amazon, and we're gonna unbox them and go over them together. I hope you guys are having a great day, and if you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing and joining the Queendom. Everything that I go over will be listed in the description of this video down below if you're interested, and it will be listed in my Amazon storefront where a lot of the wigs that I review are posted. We have a lot to talk about, so let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, queens, before we start unboxing some of the things I found on Amazon, we have to talk about this wig, okay? No, I did not get my braids done. This is a hat wig from Amazon, and they have so many colors available, and they have natural colors. So if you don't want to get crazy like me with this rainbow, okay, they have a color that you might like. So let's talk about it. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys me going through the wig on my Instagram Reels and TikTok. They do get the information first. So if you are not following me there, definitely consider following me at Queendom Mindset on Instagram and TikTok. But this is how the wig came, you guys. I am so impressed with this hat wig, y'all. Honestly, I didn't know what to expect. The picture looked like it was giving quality, but you never know until you get the product in your hands. So I got the product in my hands, and this is what she's looking like. I'm going to show you guys all of this wig in these clips, and I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about the quality. So I have tried quite a few braided hat wigs and hat wigs in general. I do have a category on my Amazon storefront where they are all listed. If you want to go and see what else I've tried, it'll be linked in the description of this video. But this wig is definitely top tier of that list. This wig's quality is very nice. The braids do come at a full but natural density. The braids are also quality. They don't look like they're gonna unravel. They're frayed at the end and very nicely done. And the color is just as vibrant as the picture. It is very vibrant, very real, okay? It's not dull or given like, you know, like just cheap. It looks really good. And one thing I love about this hat wig is that the hat is just not a plain old black cap. There's nothing wrong with that, but after a while, all my hat wigs were black cat wigs, okay? It also is a jean material. It even has distressed parts on it, and it has some jewelry at the top. Like this hat is giving flair, okay? So like I said, you guys, this cap is very cute. It is comfortable, and what I also love about this is that there is a strap in the back that is adjustable, attached to the cap. So I was able to adjust this hat to my head size. I have my natural hair under this blown out, so it is a little thick, and I was able to give myself a little bit more room because it has that adjustable strap in the back of this hat, okay? That does not always happen with hat wigs, y'all. Now the length of this is pretty long. I am 6'2", and it does come past my bust, maybe about like 2 inches past my bust. I will show you guys the full length over here, but I absolutely love it. Like if it's in braids or something like that, I don't mind the length because it's not loose hair, so it's not gonna be like all up in my face, getting stuck to my lip gloss or anything like that. So here's a close-up on the braids, you guys. They don't look like they're gonna unravel. They look very nicely done, and like I said, the ends are frayed. I absolutely love it. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what you thought about these wigs. And if you pick one up, let me know which one you got. All right, queens, we're moving on to the next wig. Now this wig you guys have seen before. This is that bun headband wig from Amazon, and I went and purchased a new one because the ones that I had had for like 1 to 2 years, and I wanted to get me a nice fresh new wig, okay? I just go ahead and buy me another one if I want a fresh new unit, and I've gotten my service, okay, out of that first one. So this is me unpackaging the wig, and the wig honestly is basically the same as when I first got it. It's honestly not a lot of changes. I think the drawstring color changed from black to tan, but that is about it. And I am going to style this style with you guys over here so you can see how I did it. So I have been doing some head wrap tutorials on my Instagram and TikTok, and I have been sharing them. I'm going to insert a tutorial here on how I got this style together with this wig. This is the wig underneath this scarf. This scarf is from Amazon as well. I've showed it to you guys before. They come in like packs of 3 and 6. They're really quality in my opinion. They are my go-to headscarves for everyday and just for like when I want to do a style like this from Amazon. So I will link this wig and this headscarf seller in the description, and they are linked on my Amazon storefront under head wraps. Okay, there's a couple of my go-to sellers. This one is definitely like top 3. Okay, so you guys, like I said, this wig is basically the same. It's still doing what it needs to do. I did demonstrate the sock method with this wig on Instagram and TikTok to show them kind of like what I've showed you guys in the past, how I insert a sock in my wig just to give it a little bit more volume, because I like my bun to be full. But honestly, if you don't want it to be full, you just want like the regular bun look, that's perfectly fine. And it'll probably be a little bit lighter on your head as well because you don't have that added sock. I still give this wig a 10 out of 10. I love this wig. This is the only wig that I really can get like this type of style and a headband wig type of style, you know what I'm saying? Like, only other way I can get like this type of bun is if I use my natural hair or if I have a ponytail piece, and I'm not a fan of ponytail pieces. The headband wig just was like less stress for me, so this is my preferred look and I really like it. It's still a great buy in my opinion, and I'm still rocking with it. I don't have any complaints about this wig besides the fact that I do wish it had a comb. It only comes with a drawstring, but I'm just going to be happy that we even have this style in a headband wig. Guys, I forgot to mention that these earrings are from Amazon. They come in like a pack of 20 and they have lots of different variations. So I will quickly show you guys what I got. This is how it came packaged in like this plastic with all the earring styles. So this is the first pair. It's like a palm tree and it's like a mixture of like a tan and like a nice pink. They're really, really cute, and I think they look great with this all black. Okay, all right, you guys, so I do have one more wig to try on with you guys, which I'm going to do next, and then we will start unboxing the things that I got from Amazon. So let's go ahead and get into that next wig. All right, queens, we're on to the next wig, which I'm wearing right now. This is another one of my favorites that I bought again. Okay, this is that faux lock Amazon headband wig, and now you guys, the seller has so many different options than when I first tried it. They have this in like 3 other colors. They also have the short bob version of this and in some other colors. So I will link this wig down below and all the options will pop up if you click the link. This is my wig, okay? I love this wig because I am tender-headed and going to get faux locks installed. I'm going to get my hair professionally installed. Individual locks is just a no. It's a no. I'd rather not do it. This is way more of a better option for me. I absolutely love it. So only thing different about this wig than when I first tried it, you guys, is that the headband that is attached, it has clips at the back to attach it and not a Velcro strap like the one I had previously, and they have so many more options now. So those are the difference. It does feel like a little bit more of a lighter density. The other one wasn't heavy, but it was like super thick. This one feels a little bit less thick and more of a natural density, which I love. Okay, and I'm so happy I purchased it again. I do want to continue to wear this and try other styles. I still don't have any complaints about this wig. It feels like it's more curly on the ends too, which I love because that's so cute. I think it's gorgeous, especially for the summer. It's just an easy way to get faux locks in your head quick. You could take them off at night so you don't have to sleep with them in. Like, it's a win-win. It took like less than 5 minutes to put this up in a ponytail. I have no product on this hair, just exactly how it came. I just wrapped it around itself and made a little ponytail at the top, and I also did a top knot bun. I added this headband that I got from Amazon. It came in a pack of multicolors, so let me show you what that looks like. How the headbands came packaged. They have all these colors, okay, and I chose to go with this red just to bring out a little pop of color that's in these earrings. These earrings are from that pack that I just showed you guys, and I will link these headbands down below in the description. But the headband goes really well with it. It's a simple headband. It's comfortable. It feels very soft as well. And now that we've gone over all the wigs, we can get into those wig essentials and new wigs that I bought. So I'm going to unbox them with you guys and show you guys what I purchased. I showed you guys this product in my Amazon Prime Day wig deals video. If you guys missed it, even though Prime Day is over, some of those wigs are really affordable, so definitely I will link it in the description. But this is something that I told you guys I bought, and I'm so excited. So you guys, I recently got my hair blown out and I wanted to be able to maintain that style at home. So I picked up this flat iron that is highly recommended, and I am so excited to try it. Y'all, this flat iron did my hair so good, okay? I was shocked. My hair is super thick, you guys. I'm talking about super duper thick. And usually I don't get blowouts because they usually do not last in these summer months, okay? But this right here, it got my hair right. So I ordered one from Amazon to show you guys. So this is how it comes packaged. It came very secure, bubble stuff in there, you know, to keep it from getting damaged. And I also had plastic wrap over this. So this is the container. And this is the Babyless Pro Nano Titanium Flat Iron. It is supposed to be stainless steel, lightweight, and deliver highly efficient heat transfer, okay? It goes up to 465 degrees. And girl, my hair was looking good, okay? My hair still is looking good. It is in a wig cap up under this wig. And even with me wearing wigs over it and then wearing my natural hair out, it has still maintained, okay? I got my blowout a few weeks ago and it still looks good. And I am so excited to have this in my hair tools collection, okay? So I got the 1 1/4 inch. They do have the smaller size if your hair is shorter and you want to maintain it like that. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So this is what you get when you open it up. It has oh, they have a dryer and oh my gosh. Okay, so on the back it's showing me their other products. They have a dryer, a curling iron, and a cold brush. Okay, so on the back it's showing that they also have some other styling products, which I'm so excited about because I need another blow dryer. So they have a blow dryer, a curling iron, and a cold brush. I did not know about that. So if I can find these, I will link them in my Amazon storefront for you guys and let you know which ones I get, because I'm probably gonna get the blow dryer for sure. But anyways, back to what we got. So this is what the flat iron looks like. Very nice, very quality. This was the bigger size that I picked up because my hair is pretty long. It's a bob now, but my hair grows really fast. And it has been, before I cut it, it was like shoulder, no, it was past shoulder length. It was like almost mid-back. I cut it literally to like 1 inch. That was 1 year ago, and now it's all the way back to shoulder length. So it grows really fast, you guys. So let's go ahead and take it out. All right, this is what it looks like. Y'all, I've heard such good things about this flat iron. I've seen it in action, okay? And I'm so excited to have me one. So I will link this in the description. It is already linked in my Amazon storefront. You guys, I am so happy to have a quality flat iron. I was the type of girl who would always get like, you know, just the cheaper flat irons, just make it work. But if I get my hair blown out and I pay for it, I want to be able to maintain it, okay? For as long as I want to maintain it. And this is going to help me do that. So I'm so happy about this buy. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, the next thing that I see I got is some more wigs. So let's hop into that. The first one is human hair, okay? Girl! Okay, I got this human hair wig from Amazon, and it is a highlight water wave wig. I believe it is a lace frontal. So let's open it up. Okay, you guys, this is what the wig is looking like. I got the 20 inches, and this is water wave. I love me a water wave, girl, because it looks so good when you just add, all you gotta do is add water to it, put your little gel or whatever you use to maintain the curl, and go. And that is what I love, okay? I got me a water wave headband wig from Amazon, and it is my go-to. I absolutely love it. So this is the wig, you guys. It is so soft, y'all. Like, I think it is true to length, 20 inches. It looks really good. As you can see, it has those highlights. And this is one of the ones I showed you guys in that Amazon Prime wig deals video, and it is so worth. Okay, girl, it looks so good. It feels so good. I'm so excited to wear this. This is what it looks like. Okay, here's the closure. Here's the inside of the cap. It has 2 combs in the front. It has 1 comb in the nape. It has adjustable straps. It also has a comb in the middle of the cap as well. So this is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I'm so happy I got this. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, I love it. What wig is this? Girl, I don't even remember what wig I bought, but this is the next wig that I bought. I can't even remember what it is, so we both gonna be surprised, okay? So this wig comes with a cap and a headband. So it's obviously a headband wig. But what wig is it? I do not remember. Oh, I remember now. Okay, so this is like a curly headband wig. It is synthetic and it's supposed to like kind of mimic locks, but it's kind of like just tight curls. So I decided to give it a try. So let's take a look. And this is the wig. I like it. So yeah, it kind of looks like locks, but it's really like those tight curls. And this is not one that I would brush through at all. I would just keep it in this beautiful tight curl. And this is what it looks like. It has the headband with the clips as well. It has 2 combs in the top. Okay, y'all are getting better about adding these combs to these synthetic headband wigs. Because back in the day, it used to be like one tiny baby comb and that was it, if that. So, okay, we're stepping it up. 2 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This is the cap. I love this. This is really pretty. It's like a kinky curl, but really soft. A nice natural density, not too thick. I love this. This is so cute. I'm super excited to try this because it looks like locks or braids or something, but it's really just a soft curl, a really nice soft curl. So this is really pretty. So this is it compared to my locks. They look very similar, but this one is just less lockish, okay? More curls. So I'm so excited to try this one. I will link in the description. All right, so we have one more wig, one last wig, okay, girl? If you have been watching this long, shout out to you, okay? This is a kinky straight headband wig, and it is supposedly a lot of hair. I have a little vision for this wig, okay? It comes with a headband and a wig cap. So this is the wig. You take the net off. This is a kinky straight wig. Okay, this is really soft. Okay, these don't feel all rough and tough like I thought they were going to. This is a kinky straight wig. It is so soft, you guys. It is definitely long. I plan to wear this to where it's not just like hanging down. So I'm not really worried about the length because y'all know normally I would be like, no. This hair is so soft, y'all. My fingers are running right through it. This hair is so soft, y'all. Oh, wow. Okay. Yep. It does have 2 combs in the top, 1 comb in the nape, and adjustable straps. And the attached headband has a Velcro strap to it, so no clips on this one. I like this. This is really pretty. Really soft, really pretty. I got a color that was gonna match with my hair so I can make it look realistic. Girl, we about to do something, okay? All right, you guys, thank you for sticking with me throughout this whole video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I will link all the products that we went over, the accessories, the headbands, in the description of this video and in my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested. I am so excited to hear from you all in the comments, so let me know what you thought about this video and which style you like the best. I will talk to you guys in the comments and see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye.